Hello and welcome to Shanghai Eye. Monday through Friday here on Dragon TV, we'll bring you stories to decode and explore China. I'm Chen Shen.
And I'm Timothy Pope. We're going to focus on business, tech, urban life, arts and culture, and sports, and everything going on here in Shanghai. 8 years on, the China International Import Expo is proving more than just a showcase. For many pharmaceutical companies, what started as an exhibit has turned into a real-world treatment opportunity that's now approved and reaching patients across China. Zhang Hong takes a look.
Eighth-time CIIE participant Sanofi has been focusing on the diagnosis and treatment of diabetes over the last 40 years. It's Ciie, the world's first and only therapy to delay the onset of type 1 diabetes, made its Asia debut at the 2023 CIIE and was officially approved in China this September. Clinical data shows that the therapy can delay the onset from stage 2 to stage 3 type 1 diabetes by nearly 3 years on average, with some patients remaining in stage 2 for over 10 years. The company is now taking a step forward by launching a China type 1 diabetes diagnosis and treatment ecosystem.
In China, we have 600,000 people who are living with type 1 diabetes. We focused first on the family with type 1 diabetes to test all the relatives and to see, who of them will have the diabetes in the future, and then we will look after them from the education and maybe treatment perspective. We need to make sure that the testing is actually landing in the clinical practice, because the treatment guidelines have been not only approved in the world, and China was the first country adopting them only last year. So we have a lot of work to do together to land the guidelines into the clinical practice and awareness of the society and the medical community of that opportunity.
Gilead, participating in the CIIE for the fourth time, is showcasing two major products making their Asia debut. Lenacapavir, a long-acting HIV pre-exposure prophylaxis drug, and Seladelpar, a new treatment for primary biliary cholangitis. The former has already been introduced in China's Boao Lechen International Medical Tourism Pilot Zone, marking its first clinical use in the country, while the latter has been approved in the pilot zone for rare disease drug access in the Tianzhu Comprehensive Bonded Zone in Beijing.
莱纳帕维的上市申请呢，将会在明年的年初递交，然后 Seladelpar 的上市申请呢，已经在10月末递交了。那预计这两款产品呢，大概会在2027年的上半年获得批准，在中国上市。进博会的平台通过它的展示，加速了我们创新产品进入中国的步伐。同时，我们在过往的几届进博会有大概20多项的签约活动，推进了相关疾病领域的诊疗能力的提升，推进了相关疾病领域公众对疾病的认知。
Consumer health company Haleon has participated in the CIIE for 8 consecutive years. This year is showcasing over 70 products and health solutions, including 3 making their global debut. As in previous years, the booth features a variety of health testing tools for visitors in response to consumers' requirements for more personalized health solutions and assessment tools.
We're very glad to see that in the recommendations of the 15 5-year plan, health and proactive health has become a very specific policy point. So in response to that, we are launching in CIIE our latest Zentrum daily wellness packs, developed for the Chinese consumers, that are tailored to not just gender, but really tailored to their life stage. And then after CIIE, what we see is that because of the attention, because of the kind of the deep engagement we can have, the launch of these products becomes very successful.
A 4-time exhibitor at the CIIE, Synthesia specializes in natural phytopharmaceuticals, bringing healthcare products for chronic disease prevention and healthy aging. This year, the company is debuting a new product, saw palmetto extract, targeting men's prostate health.
借助进博会的一个强大的溢出效应，我们源自德国的健康产品先后成功登陆了主流的电商平台，相关平台的销售我们也始终保持着2位数的一个增长。进博会采购的交易额逐年的递升。森氏海牙也成立了集团总部，我们扎根在虹口北外滩，同时这也彰显了我们深耕中国的决心。
It's not just business on display at the CIIE. The event is also a stage for the world's living traditions, from Persian carpets to Sri Lankan masks, offering a glimpse into the artistry and heritage behind global exchange.
The China International Import Expo is best known for showcasing high-end technologies and products from around the world. But global exchange isn't just about trade and innovation, it's also about culture and connection. The Iran Pavilion is filled with delicate bronzeware and vibrant handicrafts that immediately evoke the country's rich artistic traditions. A silk Persian carpet stands out. It took a master craftsman and his student 4 years to complete.
这个红色的意思就是因为这个在一个城市做的叫库姆沙漠的那种的城市，所以是他们用这个红色做的。这个红色从藏红画来的，这个跟那个布是一样的，非常轻，在每一个厘米我们有大概12节。
A blue and yellow tile also draws attention, but the colors are far from random.
在伊朗，我们每一个王朝有自己的颜色，蓝色和黄色做的，这个也意味着我们萨法维王朝那个王朝对我们来说是非常重要的。有时候，如果我们想做衣服，我们会用这个颜色。
At the Sri Lanka Pavilion, traditional wooden masks bring a sense of mystique. These masks play a vital role in ancient rituals and dances to ward off diseases and evil spirits.
Most of the foreigners and coming to Sri Lanka to buy this kind of traditional products because it mainly related to the Sri Lankan culture more than 100 years.
The Azerbaijan Pavilion showcases 3 traditional musical instruments that together form the country's national trio. The tar and the kamancha were inscribed on UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage List in 2009 and 2017, respectively.
The singer, he sings and play like a drums gabals. The man who plays tar and the man who plays kamancha. Traditionally, they sing in these clothes. We as a country participating in this exhibition for 8 times. It's starting from 2018. We brought 12 companies. Our main goal is promote not only our food, our service, our stuff, but also promote our culture, our heritage. And I think it's very important.
The Russian pavilion offers a modern take on traditional crafts. The Matryoshka doll is recreated and decorated in Kholoma, a centuries-old art of painting wooden tableware and furniture in vivid red, green, and gold over a black background, often with berry and floral motifs.
Nowadays, there is a trend to find a new life for old, ancient cultural things.
The creativity and care behind them speak a language the whole world understands.
Meet Francois Pouze, a Chilean content creator with over 1 million followers. He returns to Shanghai after years away, and this time for a 48-hour deep dive, from visiting AG Bot to tasting local cuisine at Wangjiasha, and from the historic Yuyuan Garden to the iconic Oriental Pearl TV Tower. He captures it all through his lens.
No necesitas venir a Shanghai para aprender a importar. Aprende con nosotros en Emprendedor Chile.
My name is Francois Pouze. I'm from Chile and I am a content creator.
Enjoying this beautiful view.
I teach Chilean people how to do business with China, how to import from China to Chile. In YouTube, I have more than 200,000 followers. I wanted to visit Shanghai. I think it's one of the most exciting cities in the world.
Shanghai.
The reason about my trip to China is to do some tourism. We had a very interesting experience in robotic company.
The robot can know what we are doing here. The force feedback, we can stop here.
That was really amazing experience.
For example, just like here.
Oh.
This girl is doing the tail bricks. She got a task here on the back screen, and after she finished it, we upload the data to the server.
In Chile, we don't see robots.
Here we do close look about how we developed the recorded AI.
It was an amazing experience to see how all these robots are building. For me, it's like a mind-blowing, is really seeing the future is happening here.
Yes, but now it's... Ah, okay. Wow, the view.
We visited the best spots to see the city, like the Pearl Tower and all the skyscrapers, and also have delicious food. Delicious traditional food from Shanghai.
Ah, nice.
And I've been to the States, to Canada, to Europe, to many countries, of course all around South America.
Wow, it's beautiful.
But I'm here in China. I really believe China is leading the way in everything. I'm sure for
this
Chilean viewers, and not only Chilean, because I have many viewers from all Latin America. It will be interesting. I want them to feel exactly how it's to be here in China.
If you've got any questions for us, you can find us on all the socials.
We'd love to hear from you, and do join us here on Dragon TV Monday to Friday.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.